Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 9. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off Scrub Live Audio. Scrub Live Audio is referring to the sound that you hear when you drag the playhead across your timeline and you can hear the audio. Let me demonstrate. So if you're doing a screencast tutorial or a webinar, that can be very distracting for your audience. To turn on or turn off the Scrub Live Audio setting, come up to the View menu, click on View, and you'll see here Scrub Live Audio is currently checked. There's also a keyboard shortcut, Shift S. So if you just click on that, we'll check it again. Now it's unchecked. So when I drag the playhead, the sounds of silence. If I use the keyboard shortcut Shift S, that'll turn it back on. Shift S to turn it off. And that is your quick tip in Screenflow 9. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.